Hey everyone, in today's video we'll see how to run mid-roll ads for your YouTube videos. Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. Now, first things first, your channel should be monetized for this to run and enable YouTube ads for your videos, right? Now, once you do that, you have to understand what mid-roll ads are. So basically, these ads are only applicable for those videos which are 8 minutes or more, right? So to show an example, I will upload a video which is more than 8 minutes. Let's take an example, right? So this is around a 40-minute audio video, but that being kept aside, I just have to select the basic tick marks over here, right? Now when I go on next and monetization, first you have to select on. Now you can see there is a checkbox show mid-roll ads during my video. Now there are two things. Mid-roll ads are basically ads which will reflect midway through your video. If you don't want them to appear, you want to give a better video viewing experience to your users, you can untick it. But if you enable it, there are two things. If you take it, just it YouTube will automatically insert ad slots into the best natural breakpoints in the video. But if you feel you have got certain breakpoints in your video for which you want to place an ad, then you can review mid-roll placement and you can select specific time slot as per your video where you feel there are breaks, and you can get ads inserted in that time slots. You can simply insert and you can see it has added a slot for the ad, right? So this is the way you can enable mid-roll ads for your video both automatically and manually. If you have any queries, do drop in the comment section and subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave.